Is it okay I take your video?
Oh, yeah.
Hi guys! Enjoy your fishing! We are in King Island and there is another island there. You can go island hopping. So we're going back now because it's that the high tide is coming. So yeah. So a lot of seashell like pipis, a lot in here because we are not allowed to take. Oh my god! Hoy, sil bago binago oh. Sil oh, aray ko nilago tano sil. Ha? Hello. Oh my god, a lot of this one in here but we are not allowed to get because of the
Oh, cuttlefish!
Oh.
Look, I got this
Ah,
cuttlefish. I'm gonna get
cuttlefish
it
ba yan?
Rocky.
Ano ka babo? Tana sil. Ay, mauli. Mabalik na kundi sil. Mamurot kita kay sil. Ano nga tawag ka rin, sil?
Eh,
Itnang tong do awis?
awis.
Awis to?
Oo.
Dan.
Dapat ako daw siyan kung
This
anong
is
tawag
my
ka
friend in
naman daw.
Queensland. She is my classmate in high school. Say hello.
Oh, it's beautiful day here.
Yeah.
What to walk.
So we walk here in King Island because the low tide is very early, so it's really good walk, very healthy, and you know, yan guys, oh, pipis, yan oh, pipis yan guys. There's a dog, so you can take a, you know, there's a boat, you can go fishing in another island. That's Green Island, they call that Green Island. So yes, we're going back now. We just walk. Maraming mangrove yung tawag yun, di ba? Yan, very fresh yan. So punta kami sa daming mga sihi dito ba? Ala, ay daming pipis dito sil, oh. Yan, dito na kami. Babalik na kami kasi na-cancel yung flight namin papuntang Melbourne. So that's why we have time to walk around in this area. Yes, we here. Oh my god, new house here. Probably on summer is full of people here. Yan o, punong-puno ng mangrove. So lots of shell there. If you go there, a lot of shell. Oh my god. It's nice here. Oh my god, oh. Ang tatangkad ng kasama namin, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ako'y naghahabol sa kanila. Hinihingal ako sa kakalakad. Tingin nga ako dito, be. Oh no. See, oh, ang daming mga mangrove, oh, natubo. Ang daming mga ano dyan, guys. Ayun, oh, may sihi. Wala. Sarap manguha. Kailang bawal. So, babalik na kami sa kabilang isla kasi mag high tide na. Kababo talaga. Kadami talaga silba. Balik na kami guys. Yan yung Brisbane dyan guys. Wellington Point.